Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about a stock that I'm actually very excited about, and that is Wayfair. So, why am I excited about Wayfair, and why is it a stock that you should watch in the near future? Well, actually, Wayfair is one of the .com stocks that has actually boomed since the coronavirus crash. Now, if we come look at this graph over here, we can see that before the crash, it was worth around $100. At the bottom of the crash, it was only worth $22. And if we look at the 5 year graph of what Wayfair was worth, we can see that when they first started out 5 years ago, they were actually worth around the same price, $30, $40. So they were way oversold during the crash. And because of this, we can see that they had a huge V-shaped recovery and are now actually over their pre-coronavirus price. But how over, you may ask? Then I made this graph over here where we can see that Wayfair before the crash was costing $100. Now, after the crash, $22.50 was their bottom price. And now, after the crash, as of today, when the stock market went up so good as a result of the news of the studies done on primates that were actually very successful, they're costing around $120. And what this means is that there's 533% gains since they hit the bottom of the market. And if we look at the graph here, this isn't their bottom and hasn't been for a long time. They haven't cost $100 since December of 2018, which was over a year ago. And if we look at this graph, we can see that they tend to go up during the September months, during March, June, and before the first quarter of the year, they're actually worth a lot. And as of right now, they're worth $120, but I could honestly see them going higher into the future as they have very strong earnings coming up. And additionally, they're one of the .com stocks which, as you may know, don't go down during the coronavirus because they can continue operating as normal. And people tend to be more excited to go shopping online than they are to go shopping in person, which is why a lot of people have seen this as a great investment. And over the last month, this stock alone has gained over $80, which is extremely high amount for a stock that was so affected by the coronavirus crash. Now, as you can see, it's about going to be around May 5th when their earnings come out. So if you want to take advantage of the run up that the stock is going to have, you should look to invest around May 1st. However, you don't want to miss out because this stock has actually very much increased in price, and I actually had the chance of owning it around $103 before the spike today on my Tastyworks account. And the stock actually went crazy today, and I gained over $17 of value in one day, which is extremely good for a stock only worth $100. So that's why I'm very excited to share it with you guys, and I hope that you can wait until the stock is worth around $110 if the market pulls back a little on Monday and then buy in, and you should be looking at a good profit. Now, what do I think the market is going to do on Monday? As a result of USO, which is the United States Oil Company, I think that we can see that they actually were down today, but they did make a sort of recovery towards the end of the day, and after hours they came up a couple cents as well, which is showing good progress for the recovery of the United States Oil Fund and oil in general. And because of this and the study with the apes that came out, the primates, and it was very good results, we can see that on Monday the stock market might keep on its upward momentum. However, it might also pull back a bit, which is what I am hoping for, so I can buy a lot of stocks at a better position. So good luck, guys. Keep an eye out, and remember that nothing is for sure. Anything can happen on Monday, and because of this, you don't want to be caught holding options or trades over the weekend if you don't have to. So just be very careful and keep your eyes out. Good luck.